Good morning friends, welcome back to bharatcoders. So in today video I am going to talk about how to add fields into the standard filter of any doc type. So let me explain you with giving some example. So let's say open any doc type for instance let's open a sales invoice. So this is the list view of any of the doc type. So when you go to list view, there are some of the filters available by default, right? So how to add more filters if in your document, if you have created some fields and you want that field should appear into this filter in list view. So how to do that I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you remember in previous video I have created a document like doc type, youtube doc type. I have created one of the youtube doc type. So basically there are some fields like employee name, user id, date of birth, then city, and there is a posting date. So what I want, I want to add let's say for example city. This field should be available here in the list view filter. So how we can do? So for that you have to customize the doc type, and you have to select this field which you want to be appear in the list view filter. So I want this city field should be appear into the list filter. So if you see here, there is one option in standard filter. So you can check this and update it. So if I go back and refresh the page, you will see here the city and all the options for that field. It is available here, and based on these options you can filter out. If I have multiple youtube document created, so based on this filter you can filter out the document. So this is all about this video. If you like the content of the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you, have a nice day.